Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy a Discord server. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. It's worth noting that you need to be the owner of the actual server in order for you to copy it. So if you're not the owner, then send this video to the actual owner and then they should be able to do it for you. Okay, so first things first, you're going to need to actually go to the server then that you want to copy. And then in the top left-hand corner, if you just click on the server name and click on server settings. Okay, and then when you get to this page, just click on the server template. So obviously when you're creating this template, what it's going to do is actually create a link so you can send it to other people if they then want to use that template and then they can copy it. And then here it obviously shows you what won't be copied and what will. So over here we can see messages, and any bots obviously won't be copied over, but things that will be copied are the roles and permissions and server settings and things like that. Okay, so then if we scroll down to the template title, we can just name this something for the moment. I'm going to go with how to video tutorial, and you can give it a description if you like, that is optional. And then you just click generate template. And then here we go. We've now got a link to this actual template. So you can copy that, send it to people if you like, and it's all ready to go. If you want to just preview the template, click on preview. Okay, and at this point you can set up the server to then complete it. So you can add a picture, change the server name if you like, and then just below here you've got the template channels. It's telling you what's going to actually be copied over. And then when you're ready, just click create. Escape out of that one, and then it should take you directly to the channel or the template that you've just created, as we can see here, how to tutorials. And that's pretty much it. That is how you copy a Discord server. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.